Okay, so
क्यों?
who cannot speak English?
किसको इंग्लिश नहीं आती?
Guys, because English, no, I put up the hand. Who cannot speak English? Put up the hand.
आपको इंग्लिश नहीं आती, हाथ उठा दीजिए ऐसे।
So you people need some help of translation. So you will help to translate.
हाँ, मैं हिंदी में कर दूँगी, सर इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे। सर को
Basically, what we want to do here is to teach you how to heal yourself.
हम आपको यहाँ पे हील करना सिखाने आए हैं।
That's all. We will heal somebody today.
हम किसी को हील करेंगे।
Then tomorrow morning I'm no more here.
सर यहाँ से कल सुबह चले जाएंगे, कल यहाँ नहीं होंगे।
I'll be in Delhi.
वो दिल्ली में होंगे,
You can't look for me.
आप उनको नहीं ढूंढ सकते हैं।
But there are 5,700 YouTube videos
यूट्यूब पे 5,700 वीडियोस हैं सर
on
के
healing
ऑन हीलिंग,
in all languages.
और सब भाषाओं में, वो हिंदी, तेलुगु, सब भाषाओं में।
Hindi, Telugu, Karnataka, Andhra, Tamil, Gujarat,
गुजराती,
हिंदी,
हिंदी,
Bengali,
बंगाली,
Spain,
बाहर की भी है, स्पेनिश।
French, Portuguese. Okay, so you can go. But you speak English, you can watch everything. But I speak English, some people can't. Okay. So it's a very simple healing technique. Yes, you have a question so fast. Yes?
नो,
I live in Malaysia. My grandfather, my father's father, took a boat, a ship from India to go to Malaysia.
सर को एक बच्चे ने प्रश्न किया कि आप क्या इंडिया से हैं, तो सर कह रहे हैं नहीं, मैं मलेशिया से हूँ।
And the Indians went to many parts of the world.
और भारतीय हर पार्ट में है आज दुनिया
There are many Indians in South Africa.
में। साउथ अफ्रीका में
Many.
बहुत इंडियंस हैं।
I went to have a workshop in South Africa.
साउथ अफ्रीका में सर ने अपनी
Whole class
वर्कशॉप,
full of Indians, no black people.
सारे इंडियंंस थे, एक भी
So I
कोई
said, where's the
black
black people? Where's the African? All Indians.
ऑल इंडियन, सब भारतीय थे, कोई
They
भी
only know,
साउथ
they only
अफ्रीका।
know two words. They only know two words.
ऑन टूअर्ड,
Two words only. Vanakkam.
अच्छा, दे नो ओनली वन
That means they are Tamil.
तमिल,
Namaste.
नमस्ते,
They are Hindi.
दे हिंदी।
They don't know any of that. They all lost the whole country. They are now third or fourth generation. Very, very old generation.
चार
Mahatma Gandhi went there. So I met the granddaughter of Mahatma Gandhi there.
महात्मा गांधी की पौत्री, पौत्री से मिले थे
The
सर,
daughter of the second son. She's there.
दूसरे
There
बेटे
for
से
the
उनकी।
Gandhi Memorial place. So you can watch on YouTube. I went and talked to her, interviewed her also.
आप उसको YouTube पे देख सकते हैं, उन सर ने उनका इंटरव्यू भी लिया।
So they have done. Okay. So a lot of Indians all over the world.
सारे इंडियंस ऑल ओवर द
Now
वर्ल्ड।
where's the Indians now?
वेयर द इंडियंस नाउ?
America.
अमेरिका।
Everybody want to go to America. Yes or no, madam? All America. Because why? Why? IT.
IT,
A lot of IT people, a lot of work. Last time they went to go to teach education. Last time. Now all IT. But there are also Indians who went there 2 generations ago.
2 जनरेशंस के अगो जो गए थे,
They were the people who got kicked up from Africa, got kicked up from Uganda.
उगांडा और अफ्रीका से जिनको निकाला गया।
And they, even I met somebody from Zanzibar.
Zanzibar is this?
Indian, you know where Zanzibar. It's an island. And I
Okay.
met people there in America.
In America.
My father was from Zanzibar. I'm now here. You see how the Indians have gone all over the world.
सारे भारतीय सब पूरे वर्ल्ड में।
Oh,
इंडियन,
madam, China, madam.
चाइना,
They did not stop the population. One child per person. There'll be much, much more.
मच मोर।
But then people listen. They listen, madam. One child. That's it. They don't fight. Here they fight.
चाइना के लोग सुनते हैं एक बच्चा एक फैमिली,
No, here they fight.
इंडिया
Madam. They often
में
do
यहाँ
fight.
पे
They
लड़ते
often do
हैं।
fight. Okay, never mind. Huh? So, good. So now we got 6 modules.
6 मॉड्यूल्स हैं।
This is module 1.
दिस इज मॉड्यूल 1। आज
We
आपको
cannot
बेसिक
go to the modules. We cannot go to. We have no time. It's a 1-day workshop. Okay. So I want to show you how to heal with the wand. This is the wand. We'll give it to you, and you're going to heal yourself. Healing is very important, but very important. This is very important. But madam, no,
Your
what
food.
goes inside your food,
फूड,
madam.
आपका खाना बहुत जरूरी है।
Speaks another thing.
आप
madam.
क्या खाते
Another-
हैं?
Another section. The physical body needs this. Lot of wrong food.
गलत खान पान की वजह से हमारे बीमारियां होती
Too
हैं।
much of sugar in this country.
बहुत ज़्यादा चीनी खाई जाती है।
Why? Yes, madam. You are vegetarian.
They are
Lot
vegetarians.
of carbs and lot of dal.
वी हैव लॉट ऑफ दाल और हम बहुत सारे कार्ब्स खाते हैं, खनिज खाते हैं।
You think that's a replacement
Carbs.
for protein? And dal in the morning, dal in the evening. In Tamil Nadu is even worse.
Tamil
Worse.
Nadu में तो और
Worse than
ज़्यादा
Tamil
खराब
Nadu.
है।
Worse than Tamil Nadu.
Nobody.
Andhra.
Nobody.
Breakfast,
Breakfast idli dosa
rice
sambar.
with sambar.
Sambar.
Lunch, rice with sambar, rasam and curd. Dinner, same thing.
Yes.
365 days back.
अभी बताएंगे ना. Listen, listen. हाँ, listen.
Listen to me.
You can't hear.
Listen to me.
अच्छा, I'll come here.
We need carbohydrate, we need protein, we need fats. Every human being needs that. Cow needs that. Birds need that. Everything. Okay, madam? Next, we need vitamins, we need minerals. Yes or not?
Yes.
We need water to drink. Basic life for every living thing. Whether you're an insect or animal, basic living. Okay, madam? Now, when you eat too much of this thing, what happens?
अगर आप ये बहुत ज़्यादा खाना खाते हैं तो क्या होता है? अब सर ये बताएंगे.
Why are you not fat? You eat too much also. Why you not fat? Why you not fat? Why you eat too much? Why? You're a young boy, you're walking around, you're moving, you're running. Understand? Ladies don't do so much.
लेडीज ज़्यादा चलती फिरती नहीं है,
Exactly.
तो
So
उनके
as you grow
सब्जेक्ट्स
older and
स्टक हो जाते
older,
हैं.
no more running, no more breathing, become less and less, but food is still the same or even more than normal. Yes or no? This is the problem that we all have. Too much of protein, dal become uric acid.
जो ज़्यादा हम दाल खाते हैं वो हमारे बॉडी में यूरिक एसिड बन जाता
Too
है,
much of carbohydrate become too much of sugar. And
और
insulin
जो
becomes
हम
worse.
रोटी खाते हैं वो हमारे शरीर में जाके चीनी बन जाती है.
So this is something that you must understand when it comes to healing. Healing is not only touching and you go to Reiki or you go to acupuncture, they put needles.
रेखी में जाते हैं वो आपके
Yes.
यहाँ सुइयाँ
But
लगाते
they
हैं,
don't talk about the food that you eat.
वो खाने के बारे में नहीं बताते हैं आप लोगों को.
Who got knee pain?
यहाँ पे किसको
Who's
दर्द
got knee
है?
pain?
नी
Yes,
पेन.
madam? How long is knee pain?
कब से है लेनी?
Okay, 1 year. What doctor will give you?
डॉक्टर आपको क्या देगा उसके लिए?
Painkiller.
पेन किलर,
Calcium.
कैल्शियम.
But you still take paneer, you still take milk, you still get. Isn't
आप
that
फिर भी
calcium,
दूध
madam?
पीते हैं, पनीर खाते हैं.
Lot of calcium in all our Indian diet, especially if you're a vegetarian. And this excess calcium can go and get other problems. Can get
ज़्यादा
kidney
calcium
stone,
खाने
can have
से-
clogging of the heart, clogging of all the veins. This can also happen with too much of calcium.
ज़्यादा कैल्शियम खाने से आपकी हार्ट प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, आपकी बोन्स में जम सकता है. तो एक्स्ट्रा कैल्शियम भी हमें नहीं खाना चाहिए. डॉक्टर ने प्रिस्क्राइब कर दिया और हम खाए जा रहे
What a uric acid will do?
यूरिक एसिड आपकी बॉडी में जाके क्या करेगा?
Eat your bones.
आपकी सारी हड्डियों को खा जाएगा.
She's a maid. Today the maid.
हाँ,
Hands are paining. All joints are paining.
पेट के बारे में बता रहे हैं, उसके सारे जॉइंट्स में पेन.
That's all. And doctor give you medicine. Painkiller, 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 madam. But they don't tell you stop eating this food. They don't tell you.
वो आपको खाने के बारे में नहीं बताते कि आपको क्या चीज़ खानी चाहिए और क्या चीज़ नहीं. बस वो
Why?
आपको पेन किलर
Why, madam?
क्यों नहीं बताते?
Why he won't tell you something about food?
वो
He's a
आपको
doctor of medicine.
The doctor of medicine.
That's all.
That's all.
My work is giving medicine. You want to know about this, you go and find a dietitian. It's a dietitian. That's all. Okay, I have got some. Is there, do we have anything for this?
We got orange. We got
What are the things you got? Madam? Lemon.
lemon. We didn't get.
Anyone got lemon?
होगा. I'll just find out.
Or even sugar?
Coated sugar.
Not good at all, madam. Madam, misconception. Madam, everyone say lemon is very good. Yes, lemon pickles, lemon cake, lemon coriander soup, lemon everywhere. Early morning, lemon and honey and drink. Correct, madam. Huh? Hot water. Huh? Very good. Huh? Any animals in lemon, madam? No. It's so good. So fantastic. Why no animal eats lemon? Have you ever seen worms in lemon?
आपने कभी कीड़े देखे हैं नींबू में?
Can somebody go and buy a lemon and come
हाँ,
back?
he's getting it. आ रहे हैं.
Have you ever seen worms in lemon?
No.
You see worms in banana? You see
केले में
worms in
देखा
mango?
मैंगो
You see worms in any normal fruit? Never.
मैं कभी भी आप नींबू में कोई कीड़ा नहीं देखेंगे
Never. Why?
वाई क्यों
The worms will die. They don't want to be there. They will die of
वो
the
मर
acid.
जाएंगे एसिड जो है
It's called
उसके ऊपर
citric
मरने
acid, madam.
उसमें
Not
citric
ascorbic acid. There may be some citric acid.
सिट्रिक
There
एसिड
may be some ascorbic acid. They may. But in lemon, in orange, yes, but not in lemon. Please understand. Lemon and orange, same family, but different type.
ऑरेंज और वो एक ही फैमिली के हैं लेकिन अलग
Just like gooseberry.
गूसबेरी
Amla.
Any
Amla.
animal is amla?
Amla. No.
Why, madam? It's magic food. It's a magic food. Everybody loves amala. What animal don't eat amala? The bird don't eat. The squirrel don't eat. It's falling on the floor. Nobody goes. to
इवन द
eat.
मंकी रोटी
They don't eat, madam. Why, madam?
ना गिलहरी खाती है ना बंदर खाता है ना चिड़िया खाती क्यों नहीं खाता है आमला
Why?
क्यों
I'm the only fella
Yeah.
who says don't eat lemon.
एक सर ही है जो पूरी
Nobody says
दुनिया
that.
में कहते हैं कि नींबू मत खाओ
Nobody says that.
आंवला मत खाओ लेकिन हम सुबह क्या करते हैं आंवला और उसके अंदर शहद मिला के सबसे पहले हम वो ही पीते हैं
Madam, it's too acidic,
Acidic.
madam. Yes, madam.
एसिडिक है ये सब चीजें
No
इनमें
animal,
तेजाब है।
madam. No animal eat acidic food.
कोई भी जानवर एसिडिक खाना नहीं खाता है
You know the green mango?
ग्रीन मैंगो जो जिसको
Who
हम
eats banana?
आम नहीं कहते हैं
Who eats?
वीट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पिकल
Pickle.
हम
The
अचार
monkey
के रूप
take?
में खाते हैं
Bite. Throw it.
दे थ्रो अप
Yes or no, madam? No, these squirrels don't eat. But we pick it, cut it, put in salt water for 1 month, put in vinegar in my country, put vinegar also. After 6 months, put everything, put the salt, put masala, and drink it, and keep it in the bottle. And we like.
हम 6 महीने अपने आम को नींबू के नमक के पानी में रखते हैं फिर उसमें अचार के लिए तेल डालते हैं फिर मसाला डालते हैं फिर बहुत शौक से खाते हैं
When the best time to eat it? What food you eat?
और सबसे ज्यादा किस चीज के साथ आप खाते हैं
Carbohydrates.
Curd rice.
कर्ड पराठा
Why curd? Why curd rice?
क्यों
So sour.
सावर वो
So
खट्टा
the
होता
salt
है
is very nice to eat, madam.
Taste.
But what goes inside? The
Acid.
salt goes inside, the acid goes inside. There's no chemical reaction between the salt and there's no chemical reaction. See, I have got lemon. Very good.
You got that?
Lemon. Yeah. Small lemon. Okay.
This is banana.
If anybody,
Gooseberry.
a gooseberry. very
Gooseberry,
good.
sir. Easy got it.
If anybody, listen.
सुनिए
I do a small test here.
एक टेस्ट कर रहे हैं सर
Madam, that one.
Yes.
If anybody can pass this test, I give 1,000 rupees.
अगर ये टेस्ट कोई पास कर जाएगा उसको 1000 रुपए देंगे सर
Anybody.
एनीबडी हु वांट्स टू कम कौन आना चाहेगा
Come.
चलो ही इज कम ही इज कम
Come.
सी अब सर टेस्ट कर रहे हैं
Okay? Remember, 1,000 rupees. Shall I take the money and keep first?
नो नो विल गिव डोंट
I
वरी
like.
विल गिव
1,000 rupees. Okay, sir? You ready for the test now? I will do the test. Okay? You follow my instructions.
आप सर टेस्ट कर रहे हैं उनके इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉलो कर रहे
Good. Go to the left hand. Put it here. There's a reason for this, sir. I will explain the class after. Huh? Listen up, sir. Very good. I'm going to put my hand. You stop me. I'm going to push it down.
हैं सर उनका हाथ ऊपर लगेगा सर कह रहे हैं मेरा हाथ नीचे कर इनका
Stop me,
हाथ
sir.
करो
Stop me.
करो
Stop me. Very good, man. Drop.
अब कुछ
See?
नहीं हाथ नीचे जा
Like a spring is going up. Face drop. So which one you choose? Amala or the lemon? Anything. Choose. Hold it
उन्होंने
there.
नींबू चूज करा है
Hold. Hold it. Close it. Put it here.
यहाँ रख रहे हैं
Same
स्क्रीन
thing.
नाम पे
Hands up. 1,000 rupees. If you pass.
अगर
If you
1000
can hold
रुपए
hand,
अगर पास
hand to you. No. So one way again. And then face down. Put my hand and I'm going to push it. Stop me if you can. Okay, sir, stop me if you can. Hands up,
देखिए
sir.
उनका हाथ कैसे नीचे चला
You
गया
say, no, I'm pushing too hard.
वो कहेगा कि मैं बहुत तेज से जोर लगा रहा हूँ
I put one finger.
आप
One
एक
finger.
उंगली से कर रहे हैं
It's nice to sit there and say, no, it's not this way. Look, 1,000 rupees. I'm 1,000 rupees now. Anybody can come.
Anybody can come. I am giving 1 call. मैं 1000 रुपए दे रहा हूं, कोई भी आके टेस्ट कर सकता है.
Okay, sir. Become bigger.
हाँ, लड़का हो या लड़की हो,
Not a lemon.
that should come.
So now I'm giving gooseberry. I'm giving gooseberry now.
Okay, he is giving
Right,
आंवला.
right, right. Gooseberry.
आप इनको
और-
आंवला टेस्ट कर देंगे.
Hold here.
I don't
This place, not here, not this place. You stand by the side. You bring chocolate. Go for chocolate.
चॉकलेट लेकर आओ बेटा.
Anyone got chocolate or sweets? Yes, children like chocolates. You like chocolates? Come on. This is wrong, man. Put here.
Yellow.
Yeah, put it, sir. Hands up. Check. Ready, guys?
आंवले का टेस्ट होगा. आंवला रखा हुआ है.
Okay. Ready now? No, sir. I'm not strong. I put one finger, sir. You still lose, sir. One finger, you
See, he is एक उंगली से कर रहे हैं. कह रहे हैं आप बहुत स्ट्रांग हो तो बोले मैं एक उंगली से करके बता.
Huh? See, the body, this is what we call a spleen arm test. Spleen arm test.
इसको हम स्प्लीन आर्म टेस्ट कहते हैं.
Your body knows what's good for you and what's not good for you.
आपकी
The
बॉडी
mind, no, I like this, I must have this, I must go here, I must have this. The mind's programmed. Like that, that's something soul don't like. The mind is manipulated to say, I want this, I must have this. If I don't have this, I cannot sleep. I must have my coffee. Our whole day is gone. Where's my coffee? Where's my coffee? Now you take this young girl or this young boy, give him coffee minus the sugar and minus the milk. Will he drink the coffee?
आप एक बच्चे को
Why?
बिना चीनी और बिना दूध के
Why he
कॉफी
won't be
दे-
able to drink?
वो
Minus
नहीं
the
पिएगा.
sugar.
माइनस
Why he
शुगर
won't
माइनस
drink? Why he won't drink?
बिकॉज
Bitter.
it is bitter in taste. To make it fancy, we have milk, we add sugar, हम उसमें चीनी मिलाते हैं.
Madam, not only that, you had a name. Starbucks coffee.
Starbucks.
Coffee and bean.
Coffee and tea.
San Francisco coffee. No one talk Indian
All
coffee,
right.
madam.
Nobody talks of
Latte, vanilla.
भारत
Coffee
में
is grown here.
Coffee के बारे में कोई बात नहीं.
Coffee is grown in this country.
और कॉफी
Go to Kerala, all coffee tree everywhere. Madam, but here, Starbucks coffee. They don't even have coffee in the country. It's all marketing.
मार्केटिंग है ये सब. जाती इंडिया में ग्रो
How much?
करते हैं और
How much one coffee costs? 250 euro, 250 rupees.
हाँ 250 रुपीज.
My country, madam, can buy half a kilo of coffee, madam.
वहाँ पे आधा किलो कॉफी
You can
खरीद
make your own
सकते हैं.
coffee.
इनके देश में 250 रुपए.
See how they come from there. Put a big sign. Say they put coffee, Starbucks, and this and that. Everything excited. You don't even think whether it's good for you. You just take.
हम
That's all.
सोचते भी नहीं कि हमारी अच्छी है या नहीं. हम
That's
जाते
it.
हैं.
No, to be fair to him, to be fair to him. Huh? Move beside my friend. Let's take a guava.
अब आप इनका अमरूद पे टेस्ट करें.
To be fair with him. Huh? Hold the guava, sir. Put it here. Hands up, please. Stop me, sir. Stop me. Good.
सी देखिए
Now I'll give you
इन्होंने
a amala. Same fruit from Mother Nature. Guava grows. Every animal eats this.
एवरी हर जानवर अमरूद खाता है.
I'm giving a guava and a.
एक आंवला दे रहे हैं और
One
एक
amala, sir. Good. Put it here. Which is more powerful? Guava or amala? Who is more powerful, sir? Oh, so your hand's coming down.
आंवला.
Amala hand's coming down. You see how negative that fruit is.
कितनी नकारात्मकता है.
Why is it negative?
ऊर्जा है उस अमरूद.
Why is it negative? I protect myself and not by eaten by anyone. I protect myself. He's protecting himself. This one say, come to me now, eat me. Who will eat this?
All everyone.
In the jungle.
All
Animals.
All animals eat. Where will the seed go? Inside. Where will the seed come out? Guava tree comes out. The birds will eat. The seed cannot be digested. When it goes on that, that's why this is how the guava says, come and eat me. See, smell nice, soft. When it's green, you can't eat it.
हाँ
It's
हरा
hard.
होता है हम नहीं खा सकते.
It's very, it's not sour, it's a different kind of taste. You cannot eat an undried guava.
Undried.
You cannot eat it, so hard. So now say, come and eat me. He's calling you, come and eat me. Come to me now, eat me. You know the coffee, madam? The coffee, who has seen the coffee seed? Who has seen the coffee tree? Coffee tree? Coffee tree in the house?
No, not in a house.
Then where is your coffee tree?
In
Malaysia.
Malaysia, not in Japan. In the coffee seed, there's a nice layer of sweet things outside it. The animal eats that.
Okay.
It's very hard, and then it shits. Coffee grows. The animal don't eat the coffee, but some smart fellow in Indonesia and Malaysia and Thailand, they pick up all the coffee that eaten by sheep, they wash it and sell to you.
And sells.
That's the cat.
Luwak coffee.
Luwak coffee.
Luwak coffee.
The cat they.
Yes, madam. The Thailand people,
And it's very costly,
the
sir.
Thailand
It's very
people,
costly. I got it. Too.
they don't have too much of this cat.
I got it, but I didn't drink it.
Yes,
It's
sir.
still like this.
Madam, it says it tastes the same, madam. It doesn't.
But I didn't have the heart to have it.
But Oprah Winfrey drinks it, madam.
And it is very costly also.
And after Oprah Winfrey, the whole America is because Oprah Winfrey likes everyone likes. But that's not the whole world. But what you say, customers. Hey, I drank Luwak coffee, one of the best coffee I drank. Who paid $1 million to say that word, madam? Marketing.
Marketing.
So, Thai people have got no Luwak cats. What they do, man? Look at the elephants. How much animal can eat? How much shit go on?
वो सारे
Elephant
आदमी को
coffee.
खिला देते हैं और वो यही होता है यही सही telling you the right thing सही बता
Elephant coffee, that's all. That is that. So the seeds are so strong, acid cannot go inside.
अंदर इसके एसिड नहीं जा सकती इतनी स्ट्रांग होती है सीड
So now my shit, it goes.
And the
And the best part of the animal shit is manure for the plant to grow. Like for your plant, you put a cow shit, right? Organic shit, madam. Oh, but so now when I grow very well. It goes so well. It goes much with manure. So this is how nature works. When animal eats it, the shit, because they are not like dog. Dog, they all die, madam. Dog shit, they all die. Have you seen dog shit, madam? Every shit will die in a dog shit. Why is that? It's so terrible, so toxic.
it is very toxic
You can hold the cow shit with your hand. Can you hold dog shit with your hand, madam?
no
You touch a small dog shit, the whole house will smell. You understand? So they're all toxic. They all die. Even human shit is toxic, madam. Everything will die. You understand, sir? So the cow shit is very fantastic. So it's not even cow. The goat, the deer, the elephant. You eat only vegetables,
but
madam.
they only eat vegetables
So please understand that Mother Nature tells you don't eat this.
मदर अर्थ आपको कहती है ना नींबू खाए ना आंवला खाए सब कुछ
This,
अवेलेबल है
madam, you keep on eating, it's the cause of arthritis,
आर्थराइटिस होता है तो खाने से
osteoporosis,
ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस
all your
होता है
bones will become eaten up, all the pickles,
सारी
all
बोन्स
acid.
खा जाएगा ये आप
हम तो नहीं खाते.
Your body is not made for acidic food.
हमारी बॉडी
I can show you in a short while, you understand better.
अभी दिखाएंगे सर आपको
The body is not made for acidic food.
एसिडिक फूड के लिए नहीं बना है हमारा शरीर
Understand, madam? Good, thank you. Now what do you want to try?
कैडबरी
What is it?
Vinegar also.
या
Yes, madam.
yes
Like the apple cider vinegar
Yeah.
or rice vinegar, all the same thing, madam. Why do you get apple cider vinegar? Why? Why, madam?
To make money. I
See,
think to
madam,
make
see, we don't see much of these things around here. In Europe, during winter, so much of apple,
सो मच
so much. What do I do now?
यूरोप में एप्पल होता है बहुत सारा
How much apple pie can I make? How much apple can I eat?
एप्पल कितना खा सकते हैं
What do I
एप्पल
do?
पाई कितना खाते हैं
Let's start something.
Let's start.
Like put
कुछ बनाते
apple cider vinegar and put the bottle, keep for 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, and make them all. Hey, this is good for you. Come on, apple cider vinegar, food, everybody.
She says everything.
हमको लगता है कि एप्पल साइडर विनेगर जो वो बनाते हैं वो 2 साल 3 साल के लगते हैं फिर वो मार्केटिंग करते हैं और हमें लगता है वो
Right.
हमारे शरीर
Come
के लिए
here.
बहुत अच्छा है
This girl, why she went back? She won't try, right? You scared? You lose? Come, must feel it like. I'll show you. Right, come on, this time.
पहले
Huh?
पहले इसका
This was the left hand. Left hand, left hand.
Yeah.
Hands up, please. Put your hand. Put this way. Yeah. Small children, do it softly. Don't push too hard. Put one hand and push. Stop here.
स्टॉप
here.
सर को रोको
Good. Strong hand. Okay, strong. I'll give one.
चॉकलेट
Hold it here. Push it. Stop.
Stop him.
You have not even, I haven't started.
Just hold him, he will win.
Starting to
Just hold him.
He needed you to be strong.
It's the third one. What is it? Say, I want to be strong.
जोर से strong.
Say, I want to be strong.
Say,
I like chocolates.
I like
chocolate.
Every kid likes chocolate.
Every kid likes chocolate.
The white man got chocolate in India.
the white man brought
He said Cadbury.
Cadbury.
So milk, sugar, and cocoa.
And sugar cocoa.
Very good. All is there. I like it.
I like
You like it? You like it. Your body don't like it.
इसको पसंद है लेकिन इसकी बॉडी को नहीं
Your
पसंद.
body don't like it. Hey, no, serious. You represent all the kids of India. Come on. Stop me. Stop me if you can. Stop me. Very good. So what your body is saying?
कि चॉकलेट नहीं खानी है.
Chocolate. So now I take the same chocolate and I give you a
Banana.
guava. Hold the guava. Stop me.
Stop.
Good? What's it good? Guava or chocolate?
Guava. Good.
Today onwards, no kurukure, no chocolate, no lace. You must follow some law of your body. Thank you.
Malvika, chocolates.
Come on.